First things first, gather the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need fresh seafood. Think juicy prawns, succulent mussels, and tender calamari rings. You'll also need spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, dry white wine, fresh cream, and of course Parmesan cheese. And don't forget the herbs. Fresh parsley and a pinch of red pepper flakes will do the trick. The cooking process begins with the pasta. Boil a large pot of salted water and cook your spaghetti until it's just shy of al dente. Remember, the pasta will continue to cook later with the sauce, so it's key not to overdo it at this stage. While the pasta is bubbling away, heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add minced garlic to the pan and let it sizzle until it's fragrant. This is where the magic begins. The aroma of garlic sautéed in olive oil is the first sign that something delicious is about to happen. Next, it's time for the seafood. Add your prawns, mussels, and calamari to the pan. Sauté the seafood until it's cooked through. This should only take a few minutes. Once done, add a generous splash of dry white wine to the pan and let it simmer until it's reduced by half. The wine will deglaze the pan, picking up all those tasty bits stuck at the bottom, and give the sauce a wonderful depth of flavor. Now, lower the heat and pour in the fresh cream. Stir everything together until the seafood is coated in a creamy, garlicky sauce. Sprinkle in some red pepper flakes for a hint of heat, and season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. By now, your pasta should be ready. Drain it well and add it directly to the pan with the sauce. Toss everything together, allowing the pasta to soak up all that creamy seafood goodness. Finally, grate some Parmesan cheese over the pasta and sprinkle with fresh parsley. The cheese will melt into the sauce, adding a rich, savory note, while the parsley brings a pop of color and a touch of freshness. And there you have it, the perfect seafood pasta with white sauce. It's creamy, it's flavorful, and it's guaranteed to impress at any dinner table. So go ahead, give it a try. After all, the best part of cooking is getting to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Bon appétit!